priority. We give justice for your curiosity. Only here on 24/7 News Patrol, the globe's latest news. I am Cyrus Pierre Abbas, the country's hottest and sizzling issue. I am Mary Gloria, giving you truth, nothing but the truth. No bias, just news. What are the key qualifications to maintain a stable internal environment? Mr. Klaus Bautista, bring it on!
Thank you, Ms. Claveria. Now let's proceed to our next news, homeostasis. What is homeostasis? Homeostasis comes from the Greek word same and steady. Refers to any process that living things use to actively maintain fairly and stable conditions necessarily for their survival. In spite of external changes, organisms maintain a stable internal environment through a biological process called homeostasis. In order to promote optimal cellular and metabolic function, it entails the management of a number of physiological factors, including temperature, pH, blood pressure, and glucose levels within a specific limits. That's all for homeostasis. This is Klaus Arlef Bautista reporting from 24/7 News. Magandang hapon, bye.
What are the important reasons having this internal environment? To give some update, here's Ms. Gina Agoncillo.
Organisms need to maintain a stable internal environment, a process known as homeostasis. It ensures enzyme function, efficient cellular function, energy efficiency, survival, and adaptation. Stable conditions meet enzymes' specific temperature and pH requirements, preventing disruptions and preventing cell damage. Adaptation is also enhanced by maintaining internal stability, regulating specific parameters like body temperature and hydration level.
And to know more about the key points and characteristics of living matter, Ms. Mayan Cantos reported.
So here are some key points. The regulation of water and electrolytes. So homeostasis regulates the balance of water and electrolyte like the sodium, potassium, calcium, and many more in our body. So imbalances can have a serious health consequences. The other one is the technology and the homeostasis. Advances in medical technology like wearable devices and telemedicine can help manage homeostasis more effectively.
The truth is our priority. We give justice for your curiosity. Only here on 24/7 News Patrol, the globe's latest news. I am Cyrus Pierre Abbas, the country's hottest and sizzling issue. I am Mary Gloria, giving the truth, nothing but the truth. No bias, just news.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Hello everyone, welcome to Biochemistry Explained, unveiling the secrets of life. I'm Cheryl Dancel.
Hi everyone, I am Carlos Villanueva Brazil. I am your host. Today, I've gathered an incredible panel of experts to help us unravel the fascinating world of biochemistry and explore the concept that taken as group living things change over time. First, let's welcome Dr. Cheryl Bastida, a biochemist who is specialized in molecular biology. Welcome, Dr. Bastida.
Thank you, Ms. Dancel and Mr. Carlos. I'm thrilled to be here.
And next, we have Dr. Geraldine Chan, a geneticist who studies how genes and molecules work together. Welcome, Dr. Chan.
Thank you for having me, Ms. Dancel and Mr. Brazil. I'm excited to share you about this topic.
Finally, we have Dr. Michelle Aninipot, an evolutionary biologist who can shed light on how these molecular changes impact the big picture of life. Welcome, Dr. Michelle Aninipot.
It's a pleasure to be here. Mr. Carlos and Miss Cheryl, let's get started.
Fantastic. Now let's break down this statement in simple terms. Dr. Cheryl Bastida, can you explain what it means for molecules to change over time within living things?
Absolutely. Think of molecules as a minuscule workers within our body's factories. These tiny workers tirelessly perform essential tasks to keep us alive and functioning. Now, just like when we get the latest and greatest smartphone to enjoy improved features and performance, these molecular workers can also undergo changes and upgrades over time. These changes help us adapt and thrive in our ever-changing environment, just like having the latest and most efficient tools to excel at our jobs and stay ahead in life.
Dr. Geraldine Chan, how do genes fit into this? We often hear about genes changing. Can you explain about this?
Questions. Genes as the intricate instructions manual that guide the construction and functioning out of bodies. Now, imagine that while our cells are copying this manual, they occasionally make tiny errors, similar to types or small changes in the instructions. These little hiccups are called mutations. Accumulate, they can gradually create traits or characteristics. In living things, these new traits often come in handy, allowing living things to better fit into thrive in their surroundings, just like how learning new skill or adapting to a new environment help us in our daily lives.
So molecules are the workers in our body's factory, and genes are the blueprints. These molecules and blueprints change over time to help our bodies work better and adapt to new challenges. Thank you, Dr. Chan.
Dr. Michelle Aninipot, can you tell us how these changes impact living things on a bigger scale, like species and ecosystems?
Certainly, the changes we see at the molecular level can accumulate and lead to new traits in individuals. When those traits give some individuals or advantage like better camouflage or a stronger immune system, they are more likely to survive and pass those traits to their offspring. Over many generations, this can lead to the development of the new species and changes in entire ecosystem.
So there you have it, folks. Biochemistry shows us that the tiniest changes in molecules and genes can lead to big transformations in life, from the variety of dog breeds to the diversity of ecosystems. These insights are truly enlightening, but unfortunately, our time is running short. We want to thank our guests, Dr. Cheryl Bastida, Dr. Geraldine Chan, and Dr. Michelle Aninipot, for their invaluable contributions to this discussion.
To our audiences, thank you for joining us on the Biochemistry Explained, unveiling the secrets of life. Remember, when we say taken as a group, living things change over time. In the realm of biochemistry, we are highlighting the dynamic molecular processes that drives life's evolution. Thank you.
Until next time, keep exploring the marvels of biochemistry and never stop asking questions about the chemical dance that sustains all living things. Goodbye!